Let us tell you about Excelitte, a cybersecurity product that is the last line of defense to protect your data from cyber theft. Picture this scenario where robbers can find your valuables, even though they are already securely held in a safe. The analogy of a thief breaking into a house, looking for gold, is likened to the existing traditional methods of securing your IT network. First, the security of your home is like the security of your network and data. It has a couple of protection layers such as a firewall, ID management, two-factor authentication, and zero trust. You can know and ensure that your data or gold is secured safely. But a thief is still a thief. A burglar can break into your house irrespective of the home security system, only to discover that the data is stored in a two-layered safe. Unfortunately, if the thief breaks into the two-layer safe, your gold is highly vulnerable to getting stolen. Let's rewind and take a few steps back for this scenario. At this stage, however, Excelitte can provide the last line of defense for your data or gold. The same case can also be found with cyber criminals who break into IT networks by bypassing the first line of defense. Excelitte is your 100% guarantee that your data can't be stolen, ransomwared, or hacked. Start a 7-day free trial today by visiting www.excelitte.com.